Well, hello everybody and welcome to Springer's Adventures. So today we're going to go through cleaning up and doing a little bit of an amateur restoration on this Broyhill Brasilia Credenza dresser that we picked up there back a couple months ago up in the St. Louis area from that house clean out. I put a little disclosure out here right now. I am not a professional restorationist when it comes to furniture. I do my best. I love mid-century modern furniture. That's what we have in our house. It's one of my fortes. I love it just a lot. So this dresser is actually in really pretty nice shape. So we're just going to go through. I'm going to use this Howard's Restore finish on this one because I think it's going to be good enough to show and bring out the beauty of the piece. So let's go through here and see how it comes out. So as you can tell, I'm just going ahead and applying it and just really rubbing it into the wood really well with a brand new shop towel here. So just really trying to get it to go in to the finish, and you can see the difference. It's really starting to make a pop. Direction says you put it on there and don't let it dry, and then take a clean lint-free towel. I'm using them blue shop towels to remove any of the stuff on there. So you can see about halfway down there the difference in the look of it already. So really started to make that wood to pop. The top on this thing wasn't in the best of shape. You know, it was torn between stripping it completely down, but I figured, hey, I'm going to give it a shot first. This piece is staying with us. It's not going anywhere, so let's give it a shot here. So I'm going to start on this one side, and there you go, and you can see as I'm doing it, it's starting to bring the color back on there. So really making it pop. Like I said, most of this dresser was really in pretty nice shape. So I'm just going to continue to go through there and put this stuff on, and then we're going to wipe it back down. We'll go to the center here in a second. So now I'm starting in the center where the worst of this was. I'm using a 4-0 some steel wool, some extremely fine steel wool, as recommended by the directions on there. And I've done this many times, so it really kind of helps it penetrate back in there better than a rag. So just doing a really small section at a time to see how it's coming in. You can definitely tell it is helping out a lot. Like I said, it's not stripping it and restaining it, but I'm gonna keep giving it a shot. So just follow along to see how this looks. So these are the drawers. The drawers are in all pretty good shape. We took them out and laid them out in the sun. I think the sun, probably more than anything else, helps out if there's any odors or anything like that, just to make sure any of that funk gets out of there. They're in really nice shape. I did take all the hardware off. I did clean all those brass pulls on there, and I did go through with the Howards on that and did all the surfaces, but you can tell they're in really nice shape. The hardware was damn near perfect. So the slides underneath are in really nice shape, and the pulls, there's the little tag, you know, showing it was a Brasilia. So I went ahead and cleaned that all up as well. All right, so here's the finished Broyhill Brasilia. Got it back in the bedroom and stuff like that. And it didn't come out bad. Like I said, it didn't come out, I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but I mean, this thing was in really pretty nice shape to begin with. But I think it came out pretty nice. So we're really happy with it, and we will use it. So I did put a piece of glass on top, had that on top of our other dresser there, so we never got that. But as you can tell, that Howard's, it does a fairly decent job on it. I mean, you know, like I said, I'd not stripped this all the way down to the bare or anything like that, bare minimum down there. I didn't bring it down to wood. The sides were really nice shape. The drawers were all good. I did pull all the hardware off when I did it, so you know, freshened it all up. Like I said, the top was the worst shape of anything, as you can see. But I mean, you know, my shadow is trying to get my shadow out of there, but actually it came out really pretty nice. I'm very, very pleased with it. And seeing as that we do use our stuff, I mean, said I'm not putting this back in a store for sale or something like that. I'm extremely happy with it. So if you have a piece of furniture, again, I know I'm going to get dinged by all the purists out there, especially on that. But, you know, if you're working on a budget and you really love the mid-century design of the Broyhill Brasilia and stuff like that, give this a shot. I mean, like I said, you know, if you have something that's not in that great a shape and you're going to be using it and you want to keep it until you either know how to do it or could afford how to do it or afford to have somebody else do it, I would definitely give it a shot. Hey, thanks so much, and I always appreciate it. Don't forget, if you like this kind of thing, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell whenever I put new ones out. You'll be sure to be notified. And hey, who knows? You just might see us in an estate sale or a yard sale anywheres looking for Broyhill Brasilia. See ya.